Hello everyone, this is Pramila Rawat and welcome to this course of Android. Our app is almost done, but still amazing functionalities remaining. Okay, that is the Google Map functionality. On clicking a restaurant, it should open its location using its address. That's why we have added its address here, right? So on clicking here, it should open its location, right? So what we have to do? We have to go to adapter class, and when we click, this is the click functionality. When we clicking on list view item, it's opening map activity, right? So what we have to do? We have to simply send name and address to next activity. Okay, we are getting name and address from array list at a particular location where we are clicking, and this is the name and this is the address. Okay, and we are going to next activity. So using intent data, sending data to next activity. So let's see how to data on next activity. This is very important method which is responsible to create Google Map. So using getIntent dot get string extra method, we are getting values which we are sending from previous activity, right? So for to showing or to creating marker inside Google Map, we have to get latitude and longitude from address. This is the method we have created. Okay, so I have created this get lat long from address. Okay, we have to pass context and it will return lat lang type, and we are passing here address, right? So now using geocoder we will get its latitude and longitude, right? So let's go ahead, and now we already get address from this method, but it's showing error because we have to put it inside try case, right? And we have to check if it's null address. Okay, it should be inside this, right? Now what we have to do, using address class we have to get location from addresses. Okay, addresses array and get 0, right? There may be multiple location at this address, but we want to get the closest location, right? Now what we have to do is we have to set latitude and longitude inside this. So for that, right, we have to get latitude and location dot longitude from here, right? And now close this, and let's return it here because return type is lat lang. So return latlang here, correct, because it is latlang type and our return type is same, and we want this type of variable to show data on Google Map. Right, now what to do? We have to call we have to create a variable of latlang, right, and we have to get it from which method? This one. Okay, pass context of maps activity dot this, right, and address. Okay, so we are successful in getting this, right. Now what to do? We have to use map and add marker, right. Now new marker option, at position latlang, right, with a title. Title will be restaurant name, correct. And now we have to open the location in zoom mode. So how to open location exactly at here? So we will use camera factory method, and here we will pass our latlang, right. Now let's see the output. So let me clear you again. Using geocoder we can get latitude and longitude from address. Okay, so in this method we are getting the same. Okay, so here we can get, okay, let's see the output first. Latlang can't be not. Let's check if we are getting correct address or not. What's wrong with this? Okay, let's make it 2. Means this is the maximum number of results we want to get at this address. At this same address there may be more than 1 result. Okay, like at a particular place there will be in that can be like a landmark, and there can be many places. Okay, so it can get many places, but location will be almost same. Okay, so let's run it at 2. Open. Okay, now it's showing the location. Let's zoom it by default. So how to make it zoom and give like how much do you want to zoom it. Okay, open this again. So yeah, now zoom it more. Oh, the exact location is a little bit away from this one, our location, but on same building. It may be on the same building. So yeah, it's almost at same place. Let's check another. Let's check this one, last one. Zoom it, and the restaurant name is this one, right? Okay, it's at exact location. You can see this is the real Google Map location, and this is our marker. So we can say that it's at exact location. Its location is correct. Now let's open this one and zoom it. Yeah, its location is also almost at same place. This and this barcodes and our mark. Okay, so yes, we are getting exact location because we registered here correct location, correct address. Okay, so yeah, that's it about Google Map, and yeah, we'll meet in next video.